has been filed by parties. The plaintiffs filed some, and the respondents filed some. And while some of them are not ripe for hearing, the court had ruled that a new date will be given for a consolidated hearing of all the applications and the originating summons itself. And the matter is now adjourned to the 14th of January 2026 for hearing of all the applications and then the originating summons itself. Now, for us, we also have another matter, which again has been directed to this particular court, and the matter is slated for 2 p.m. But we also feel that that matter may not be heard, because one of the applications that our lawyers filed for us and at our instance is that the honorable judge should recuse herself from the hearing of this matter, both the one that had been filed against us and the one that we also filed, particularly against Inspector General of Police and Nigeria Police Force. We believe that justice must not only be done, but manifestly be seen to have been done. And justice is rooted in confidence. So where a party feels, rightly or wrongly, that there is an apprehension of the possibility of bias, it doesn't even have to be a reasonable man's test. It doesn't have to be a reasonable man's test. As soon as there is this fear, there is this apprehension, then the proper thing for the court to do is to recuse itself. And that is what we are praying for at the end of the day. When we resume on the 14th, we are hopeful that her lordship, after listening to our application, will recuse herself, send the file back to the Honorable Chief Judge for assignment to another judge. So for now, I think this is the situation, and we are satisfied with what has happened in court. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much.